So, ladies and gentlemen, today is 2021 January 27th, and it's Wednesday, just another 4 hours. The FOMC meetings we're going to start. So, it's very important for us to do some market catch up and let's see if there are any opportunities. Okay. First of all, let me just recommend a very long-term investment opportunity, which would be sterling yen. Okay, so note that sterling yen has already broken the downtrend line. Okay, since 2018. Okay, so this is a monthly downtrend line. Okay, since 2018, and it was just broken. And I think because this month is going to be closed at another this week, this Friday. So I think the monthly chart will be probably something like this, okay? It will be a firm breakout, okay, of the triangle. So which implies the sterling yen will start a bullish trend after that. Okay, so along the way, there may be some retracement, okay? Maybe there will be some red candles or bearish candles, but it won't change the trend. Okay, the double bottom was already created, the triangle was broken. So I will be quite confident that sterling yen will went up to 160. So you guys can capture this opportunity for you guys to earn some money, because this will be about 1,800 pips move. That probably can give you about $1,800, okay, for one lot size. Okay, so all you need to do is to find as many trading opportunity as you can to enjoy the bullish wave. You can use all kind of patterns that I've taught. You can use the triangle breakup. You can use the candlestick like pin bar engulfing, structure pin bar engulfing, and inside bar breakup. Okay, whatever. Okay, so and also you can use the 8 EMA and 89 EMA to follow the trend. Okay, you can use the structure broken and pullback. Okay, so sterling yen, I will be looking at 160. Okay, so if you copy that, you can give me 5. Okay, so long sterling yen. Okay, find the way to enter a sterling yen's long trade. Only consider long sterling yen along all the way to 160. Okay, it will actually give you a lot of money. Okay, try to hold at least 0.1 lot for you guys. Okay, for a 10,000 account. Okay, for 10,000 account, try to hold at least 0.1 lot. You have to hold it all the way. Okay, yeah, because for this trade, it could your stop loss will be a little bit higher because the monthly tail will be at a 139, which is about a 300 pips move. So if you enter 0.1 lot, the risk will be about a $300, which is 3%. Okay, I think 3% for 1,800 pips move will be a very good result for this, right? So this is for sterling yen. Okay, so let's continue for some other in sterling Aussie. Yeah, I will be very bullish on sterling Aussie as well. Sterling Aussie, I will looking at 1.87 and 1.95, which is also about 1,000 pips. Okay, so I think I have already mentioned to long sterling Aussie last week and the week before. I even posted a trading view idea. Okay, it's a 2K potential pips, right? Yeah. So sterling Aussie keep longing, and it went very well. The downtrend line was broken, and the Australian dollar no longer remains strong. It looks that there are some topping formation here. Okay, it already broken the uptrend line. Okay, so holding a wedge or a triangle, it may broken down and may do a deep correction to 0.73. Okay, where sterling remains very strong. Okay, sterling weekly chart so still in the uptrend channel. Okay, and I think sterling dollar may rally to 1.40 sooner or later. So monthly chart, sterling dollar also formed a very nice head and shoulder patterns here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is for sterling dollars movement. Will be very bullish on sterling. So just hold any sterling yen and sterling Aussie long position, and sterling dollar will be good. Okay, let's go back to gold. Okay, the gold monthly chart sideways. So far, sideways above 1,800, and there are 3 candles sitting above this 1775. The weekly chart, our gold perform a very strong wave on January 4th, and then the correction happens. So I will treat this as a first impulse. Okay, this will be the first impulse wave for the uptrend. Okay, this is wave number 1, and now we are in a wave 2, okay, which is a correction wave. And then if the low was not broken, it will actually give us a wave 3, which is ABCD move. So I will be still looking at the gold's long-term target, which is about 1997 or 2000. Okay, the gold will be bullish to 2K. In daily chart, we note that the gold formed a very nice pin bar here. Okay, this is a typical hammer or pin bar that formed exactly at the previous neckline level. Okay, the neckline of this previous V shape, the V bottom here. Okay, this is a V bottom. Okay, look, the price drops down very dramatically, and then a very strong bullish bar engulfed the previous one. So this we consider a V shape, and this was neckline at 1804 to 1820, and it formed a strong pin bar in here. Okay, very long tail. Okay, so all we need to do is to focus on this uptrend, this move, and we are considering all these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles are correction move. Okay, so look at here. Let me just remind you, if we are in the uptrend, okay, uptrend consider a lot of impulse wave, okay, followed by correction wave, impulse wave, correction wave. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, and now we are in the stage 2. Stage 1, very strong impulse wave. Stage 2, correction wave happened. Okay, and now we took on the Fibonacci analysis from the previous low to previous high, and we can see the gold is sitting just as above 0.5 retracement, which is 1839. Now this place becomes a very strong support, okay, because it was the bottom of the very bullish Marubozu bar here. Okay, so which gives us some hint that a 1839 is very strong support. Okay? We can consider to long gold from 1839 to 1830. Okay, using this zone, using the FIB 0.5 and the 0.618 for your entry to capture the potential second wave all the way to 2K. Okay, 2K. We will break 1940 in the next rally. Okay, because the gold is going to complete this patterns here. Okay, this could be the patterns for the gold. Okay, a bearish Gardy. Okay, and the target will be 1.272 extension, which we measure from this move, this low to this high, and we pull back. Okay, 2012. Okay, 2012, not 2021. Okay, so yeah, I will consider the gold to move to 2012 in this year. Okay, another leg ABCD move as well. So the correction, after the correction was finished, okay, the impulsive wave will come. It will come. So consider to buy some gold at the 0.5 to 0.618 level. Okay, and for daily trade, intraday trade, we can find this multiple pin bar at 30-minute charts here. Because tonight we have the FOMC meeting, so we have to look carefully about 1937, this level, whether it can support the gold as well. Okay, if the gold can maintain above 1837, I think you will easily go back to 1860 for tonight. Okay, so we can find some opportunity long gold, stop loss below 1837 and aim 1860, so that you can have a 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio trade. Okay, let's go back to euro. Okay, euro dollar is bearish right now because last week we took a buy from here from this pin bar. It got rallied to 1.2190. However, the bulls tried twice. Okay, tried once, tried twice, but cannot break this level, and it comes back to the original rally level. Okay, hence it formed a Gardy pattern. Okay, when you use a Gardy pattern, okay, this actually implies that the price may go back to 1.2082 to 1.2070. Okay, so for tonight FOMC meeting, you may consider this zone for your observation. Whether the euro can find some support. Okay, this is plan A. Plan A is 1.2050 was hold. You can consider buy euro. Otherwise, if the price fall below this 1.2050, you can find a pullback to sell. Okay, because this 1.2050 was the previous neckline here. Okay, this is could be a potential double tops neckline. So once the 1.2053 was broken, it will go back to 1.1950. Okay, 1970 to 1950. So the euro will have two plans for tonight. Okay, the first one is above 1.205. We are bullish. We see the euro will have another rally. Another one is bearish to 1.1950. Okay, if the 1.205 was broken. So just watch this line, watch this price action of around this level. It will be very important for you guys. Okay, and meanwhile, the dollar index is bullish. Okay, we have a strong candle today. So 4 hours later, we don't know what will happen, but most likely the FOMC is not going, the Fed is not going to increase the rate or decrease the rate. It will be probably still maintain zero interest rate for the dollar. So this will be a technical bounce for the dollar. Okay, long term, the dollar is still going to be bearish because the money easing policy was not changed. So a lot of money was extra money was added to the whole market, to the whole world. The dollar will actually going down. Okay, but the short term, we can see this the first impulsive wave after correction. There may be a next wave going back to 91. So we have to watch this zone's price action to determine whether we want to sell the high or want to buy the low. Okay. Let's move on to Bitcoin. Okay. Bitcoin, unfortunately, yeah, I published an idea in TradingView for the triangle broken, and I said it was plan B. It was actually a sell. Okay, and yeah, unfortunately, it was true. I'm correct. So the price dropped back to 28K, and now the pullback already happened. Okay, it shows 34K become a resistance. Okay, if you look left, the structure was here. Okay, the price failed to maintain above 34K. It drops back to 28K and pull back to 34K again. So hit some resistance, and now the price is dropping. So I will be worrying the Bitcoin may going back to 24K. Okay, I will hold this short-term target for 24K for the Bitcoin. Okay, for the next month. Okay, yeah, I think we can still consider short Bitcoin all the way to 24K in case you want to earn some money or you want to generate some returns from your past investment. Okay, so do consider to sell some Bitcoin. Okay, because the price is really too expensive. 40K for one Bitcoin. That's insane. That's crazy. That's incredible, right? That's why the market don't actually recognize. Okay, as I said, we can always use the two-try rule. Okay, the first try is the second try, but failed to break new high, so we can consider sell. Okay, you can sell some more when the consolidation was broken. Okay, so the next target for the Bitcoin will be 24K and 20K. Okay, get ready for the Bitcoin to drop back to this place before the next move. It may continue going down because a lot of people are selling. A lot of people are profit taking, okay, for their previous long positions. Okay, so yeah, do not chase high. Just the price just looks too similar for the last term. See, last time we actually created 20K high record. Okay, it formed a triangle and then broken down, pull back, and all the way go back to 6K, and then it goes to 3K, right? Okay, so be careful about this. careful about this. So yeah, I'm not very bullish on Bitcoin right now, as I see this price action is actually tells me a lot of sellers around the 36k level. Okay, unless it can broken the 36k again and maintains above. Unless this thing happens, otherwise I will be bearish on Bitcoin. Okay. The same idea on the Ethereum as well. The Ethereum making a 3 push, okay, 3 drive mode, okay, 1, 2, and 3, okay. You can see along this 3 drive, the high is higher than before, right? It's getting higher and higher. The low is also getting higher and higher, okay. So technically speaking, it is uptrend, okay, higher highs and higher lows. But don't forget, this channel was established after a strong bullish wave from 400. Okay, from 400. So this bullish wave shows a like a ending diagonal at a very high extreme place. It normally it will tells you it may reverse. Okay, so I think the Ethereum may drop back to 800. Right, so you can consider to short the Ethereum for a pullback and all the way aim to 780 or 800. It will be a good reason for you to sell the Ethereum. Okay, in 4-hour chart, you can see this high was fakey. Okay, 14k was once a while broken, but after that it just become a sideways and broken down, pullback and broken down. Okay, so I will use now I can use the 1280 to sell the Ethereum, because this 1280 becomes a neckline here. Right, so it may continue break down for the Ethereum. Right. Okay, so for the dollar yen, okay, dollar yen is strong. Dollar yen made make a triangle or channel broken up. Okay, so dollar yen may be rallying to 104.80 probably, okay, for tonight, or maybe ultimate target would be 105. So the dollar yen, you can find some buying opportunities along 103.80. Using this level, using this structure for you to capture entry buy for the dollar yen. Okay, so for Aussie, I already explained Aussie forming a triangle, forming sideways, waiting for a direction to be chosen. So sell the pullback or buy the pullback for the Aussie. Kiwi dollar is the same thing. Okay, Kiwi dollar is less stronger than, it's weaker than Aussie. That's why the Kiwi cannot push new high. Kiwi only bounced to the 0.618 level and it was done, was finished. Okay, so Kiwi we can sell this week. Okay, this was for the first time I'm calling a Kiwi sell after since last year's August. Okay, I'm only asking you guys to buy the Kiwi, buy the Aussie, but now I want you guys to try to sell some Kiwi or sell some Aussie, okay? Because both of this may go down, all right? Yeah. So you can see the very strong bearish move and pull back 618. Okay, there could be another ABCD move targeting 0.70, 0.7038. Okay, so you can consider to sell the Kiwi for this wave. Okay, good. Move on to dollar Canadian. Dollar Canadian finds some support around 1.226. It looks like it forms multiple bottoms here. Okay? But the thing is, it hasn't broken 1.28. Okay? So dollar Canadian, you don't buy it now because the price may not go above 1.2850. It will be reject from this level, and there may be another sell from this level. Okay, so you can consider to put this uptrend line for you guys. Okay, so I have to watch whether the trend was broken or not. If the trend was broken, it may remain bearish, but right now it is bullish. Okay, a strong drop-based rally was just formed. That's why we want to sell the high of the dollar Canadian, or we want to buy the breakout of dollar Canadian. Okay. Let's move on to S&P, to the oil. Okay. The oil is not very good because the uptrend line was broken, the 4-hour chart. So the pullback already happened at 52.64. So what you can do is you can go into 1 hour chart and wait to sell the inside bar here. And the inside bar was already triggered. Okay, yeah, this actually was an inside bar. Price is actually getting lower and lower. So just wait for the price to go back to 52 level will be a good one for you guys to take some profit of the short, or you can consider to buy some more oil at a 51.90. Okay, what else? What else? Gold, oil, dollar Canadian, euro, sterling, Aussie, Kiwi, and sterling Aussie. What else? Okay. Let's move on to the stock market. Okay, S&P doesn't look good. The neckline was broken. So today, 3824 will be a good place to sell the S&P. Oh, euro sterling. Euro sterling still a sell because weekly chart it was confirmed the breakout. Yeah, 0.8850. Okay, 0.8850 for the Aussie to sell the pullback. Let me look at sterling Aussie. Okay, sterling Aussie very strong. Daily chart is a very nice reversal, a reversal inside the bar. Okay, this is inside the bar, and followed by another inside bar here. And now today's demand zone created at 1.7720. Yeah, so sterling Aussie hold the long, or you can add some position if you want. Okay, there will be at least 800 pips move or 1,100 pips. Okay, and look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a sell. Okay, Dow Jones. Oh, very cool. Dow Jones just made a inside bar breaks down for the Dow Jones. So guys, you can sell the Dow Jones right now. Put your stop loss above 3103. Okay, the Dow Jones may have a crash. This is was an uptrend for too long, and now finally create a double top. Right, create a double top. Look at Baba. Baba is doing good at 220 level. This harmonic patterns appeared a bad pattern that can give you a very good entry about 222, and you can aim for 264. Okay, and look at Tesla. Tesla is still very strong, but weekly daily chart it was gapped down. So this actually you can consider at a okay, so this time Tesla maybe you can consider to buy from 760 from this doji here. Okay, do not chase a high, because if you chase a high, you are actually getting a very expensive price for your costing price, and it's very hard for you to deliver the winning results. Okay, look at the Zoom. The Zoom is gapped down, testing the previous neckline. So you can consider to buy a little bit of Zoom and put your stop loss below 322.73. Right? GameStop. Okay, no comment, because that actually it's just a play. Okay, just a play, because too many people are buying this stuff, and all the sellers position was in a very, very badly damaged. Okay, so that's why it actually cost a hedge fund that should be uh, answering to all these answers. Manipulation, yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Yeah, it's really possible for the manipulation to be happened. Okay, for this kind of stock. Yes. Okay. Sure. Goldman Sachs, right? Okay. Goldman Sachs has a reversal. Okay. The key support is at this level structure, which would be here. Okay. Goldman Sachs. This 4-hour chart, daily chart shows 272 to 2254. Would be a very good place for you to buy the. Can I look at it? Okay, sure. Euro dollar drop. Okay, cool. So you can sell it. Yeah, you may want to sell it because it's just a broken new low from the 1-hour chart. Let's just check. The 1-hour chart is very strong bearish move. Okay, it broken this place at 1.2809. Okay. Yeah, euro dollar drops a lot, so probably maybe tonight will be dollar's night. Dollar is really strong, so you can just close some position if you have some dollars short or other currencies. Reduce some. Okay. Yeah, at this time, euro sterling could be a very good one to trade because the euro sterling, daily chart it was a very very good breakout. Okay. I published this idea after this two pin bar here, this inside the bar plus pin bar, and I short the sterling dollar, okay, and I add back of this pin, and then it should move to all the low here. So that's a very good choice to sell the sterling, euro sterling will be a very profitable trade. As weekly chart, I'm looking to 0.84 at this level. That is a long-term target for the SE stock. Sure. SE, right? SE. C limited. Yeah, it's getting a reversal. Okay, so do not buy. Do not buy. Wait for the price to come back. I think the best place could be this channel. Please upload YouTube. Sure, I will. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all for today. Yeah, because the Chinese New Year is coming. The engineers was not doing his job because he's quite busy of his current work. I have to ask him to coding the EA to fulfill all the requirements, all the functions. Okay. Need some time to debug and to do English interface UI. So just wait for my message. Okay, if I will publish this EA for you guys. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sure. No problem, Jason. See you next time. Bye bye. Yeah, for new students, okay, if you are first with my webinar, okay, don't forget to click the harmonichasia.com. This is my website. You can find out the training schedule and training details of my course, okay? You can learn from me to become a very good trader and to improve your trading tactics and trading results, right? So the course will be online and for you can to learn forever and you will join my students group, right? So that's all for today. So thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye bye.